starting with a big block.
Let's blow this sucker off.
Nice and clean and tidy in here.
That's right. I'm glad you think so, partner. Notice I'm only using 2 jaws. There it is. There's the block. There it is. Just put it nice and easy in there. I'm sitting on thin parallels. 0.125. No. 0.60. 0.125 are the normal ones. Normal parallels. These are thin, and I have to put this heavy block on it. This block weighs, I don't know how much. Like a car battery, that's what I'm comparing it to. And you gotta set it on these thin parallels that are only 1/2 inch with 1/2 inch rubber bands, and there's this little part on the bottom of the aluminum soft jaws that it's like maybe 1/8 where it's clearance. It's hard to explain, but the parallels want to go under there.
Alright, you ready?
When you put the part in there, it's really annoying. Kind of like this guy. Oh, what's he doing? Is he having fun at work? What's his problem? So right now I only have 1 part in there. And if you're wondering why, it's because there's 6 parts per job. And they all have different serial numbers on them. So I have to prove each program out each time I finish 6 of them. So I'm stuck. I should just do 1 or 2, since now that I know. I still have 12 more to do, so tomorrow I'll do it differently. This drill's a special for this job. We don't really use it that much, but oh yeah, we do actually. It's not special, I guess. There's nothing special about it. Da-na-na. Still super long. You gotta look at the evidence now. Look at the block it's drilling into. That's 6 inches by 8 inches by 4 inches. So it's drilling 6 inches plus 40 thou deeper than 6 inches for clearance. Yeah, see, that sucker's deep. Deep.
5564 going 6 inches, 6.040 deep.
I think it's doing 3 of these on this position. So there's 5 positions. But yeah, it's doing this 3 times. Then I put bushings. First, it's gonna ream everything, and then I put bushings in there. This job has some awesome tools in it. A 1 7/8 indexable drill and a huge 1 1/4 indexable drill. Well, a long one. You'll see, don't worry. It'd be super neat. Right now, what I would do is I'd subscribe if that's cool. I don't know if you're not doing anything. Don't forget that I am just a button pusher. I'm not a machinist. I'm a CNC operator. After 10 years, I guess, I don't know, we're singing. Glory, take me down, know the truth. I'm going down in a blaze of glory. A little Bon Jovi for you. Young Guns 2, Blaze of Glory. I forgot the lyrics, so I started mumbling. Forgive me. Won't happen again. I reckon that drill's pretty obnoxious. Wouldn't you agree? This sucker takes forever, huh? Getting old. It's okay, I like long jobs like this. The setup is a nightmare. Not even. They're all easy, it's just... Oh, that's flush. Oh, that's flush. Yeah, they're just, what job don't I want to do? See that sucker? Hold on. Ooh, a little cleaning. Housekeeping. Looks good. There's a reamer. This one's boring. So it only did 2 holes. Bores. 2 bores, sorry. Can't say holes. Or I get slapped in the face. But if you see something wrong or any tips or anything, feel free to comment below, because I'm a production CNC operator. I don't really know much about machining. Everything I learned is on the fly, so I could always learn more. So if you're watching this and you think, man, this guy's stupid, maybe I'm not a machinist yet, but I'm on my way. I'm trying. Every day. Every day I'm hustling. Yeah, this reamer just, you can hear it whistling at the end. Slight whistle. You gotta make sure the drill doesn't walk on you, so your bushing's gotta fit nice. So make sure your pin goes through there all the way down. You gotta watch. I think they get a smaller size reamer, because if, say you're going down right, you're coming back up, it's still gonna try to take material off, so it comes up slow. But I feel like it still takes a little off, but my bushings fit perfect. So they did good on compensating if that was the case. See, I don't know anything about machining. I'm just assuming. I'm probably wrong. It's okay. It's okay to be wrong, you guys. Everybody was wrong sometime. It's like, I always compare it to, if we were in a boxing ring, I'd probably stomp you, and I wouldn't make you feel stupid about it. Here's the indexable. Wow, watch this sucker. Look at that thing. Wow. You can see in between the coolant. Alright, it's like it made a perfect little spot for us to see. I haven't mastered on how to get coolant out of the way. I asked if we can do dry or air blast runs, and it's really hard on the duals. It would be cool though to do air blast everything. I think that's how the Titans do stuff, but I think they purposely run stuff for commercial use, for our visual pleasure. This is a chamfer. If you don't know what a chamfer is, then stop right now and subscribe and watch all my other videos. Somebody wrote in one of my comments, chamfer is what separates us from the animals. I friggin' love it. There he is. What's he doing? Why so serious? There you go. Smile, sucker. You're on TV. Uh-huh. I think we can do 4 on that note. Quit looking at me, dude. You got a problem? You got some beef, bro?
Champa. 51.
I like saying Jennifer.
90 swords me.
Say it again. Oh, one time. I'll say it. 90 towards. Slight OCD. That's what he is.
At all.
Alright, dude. Take it easy. Haas. You gotta flip it with 2 hands. Good for your back. If you can't have fun at work, then where can you have fun at? Man, I could be in the swamps knee deep and I'd still be singing and having fun.
I have to open it.
I'm serious, but at the same time, we gotta have fun when we're serious. Dude, get your act together. Come on, bro.
Gotta open a little bit.
So you have to open it, find the spot that it's gonna sit in there nicely.
Okay, I got it in there.
Open it a little more. Make sure.
Turn, maybe? Yeah.
You gotta
Cockeyed.
put it cockeyed so it touches each corner. And then shut it a little bit.
Every time.
Yeah. We know.
And a parallel. Oh, look at that.
Obstructions. You can't see, but there's a teeny piece
Make
of
sure that kind of stuff ain't on there.
Yeah, a little sliver.
Okay.
Killer gloves, bro. Watch your hand now. That's what the gloves are for. They're tearaway gloves. If you smash it or squish your feet, if you get your fingers stuck and you're caught in the spindle, they'll tear away the fingertips. Somebody lost a finger, so they're gonna throw them away. I took them. I said, I'll take those suckers. They work fine. They were still brand new. Thanks, Chris. Little tap tap-a-roo. Tappity tap tap. Got so serious, dude.
Alright.
You gonna smile some more? Look pretty upset, bro. Spot drill. Lame. Necessary. This is position 2. And this is a long run. We call them runners. So if you pick this job, which it sat there for like 2 weeks, no one wanted to do it. I was like, I guess I'll do it. It's not that nobody can't do it. It's just there's other jobs there, so why would you pick this one over those? You gotta be crazy, man. And you like that sound, don't you? Oh yeah, it grows on you. Wait till you hear the next one's the reamer again. Sorry. These things have to happen though. We must ream these holes so the bushings can fit. I could fast forward through all this, but it wouldn't be the full experience. You gotta have the full experience. Well, that's why I didn't do 2 at a time, except for on this position and position number 2, because I accidentally forgot to hit record when I was just doing the single one, so I had to double up on position number 2 here, so bear with me. I've made an executive decision to cut the footage for the second part in position number 2. You see that part over there next to this guy? We're not going to show what happens to it because it just takes forever. Or I'll fast forward so you see, but it just happens really fast, rapid, some rapid action. Check it out. It's coming, I swear. Got a few more pecs here. Sure, it's taking its time. One more hole. One more bore. But in school we learned that there were holes. But in machinist school they're bores. And the bore that's bigger than that one, if it has one, is a counter bore. There's all kinds of little nicknames for these cute little holes. I should just call them holes. You guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Do we have to have terminology? Come on. Give me a break. Oh, that drill's annoying. Shut it up. Hey. I know I'm annoying too, but I think the drill's more annoying. Yeah. I'm gonna have to ask you to go ahead and hurry up if you could. Yeah, thanks. That'd be great. Yeah, if you can go ahead and speed it up a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Yeah. Okay, great. Yeah. I don't know if anybody's seen Office Space, but that's Lumbergh. We all know who Lumbergh is, right? If you haven't seen Office Space by Mike Judge, the Beavis and Butthead guy, you need to watch it. It's a great movie. A classic. I don't think it has any Oscars or anything, but it sure is a good film. There's the reamer. Lame. I sped it up too. You can see it's working. It's doing what it's supposed to. I know how to say supposed to. I like saying supposed to. So that's why I can't say the terminology for machinists, because I can't even follow the rules of proper English. My vocabulary is wide. Very broad. I just kind of get schizo on the linguistics. The fun word, linguistics. Oh, there it is. I love it when you call me Big Pop, but 1 7/8 drill, indexable drill. You can't see it. It's so annoying. Every time I would try to show something cool like that, but hang on, watch. A little window into the soul. Maybe not. Well, that's high hopes, huh? It's supposed to be like this magical moment for you guys. And it turns out it's like the worst moment of the video. You can see it come out. There it is. I see it. There it is. After it's done. The reamer again? No. It's because it's set in a large pocket. In case it hits other tools. This here is a 2-flute on strud end mill. Sorry, I was thinking chamfer for some reason. There's a chamfer. 1/2-inch chamfer. Doing all the fun stuff that I don't want to do. Deburring. We all love to deburr. It's the hidden secret of machinists. Deburring your parts. Nobody tells you anything about deburring until after school. I went to college for this and I still only get paid messed up. I'm not going to tell you how much I get paid. Don't worry about it. I shouldn't complain about money. Because I do have the opportunity to work overtime and I don't. So, opportunity's there and I don't take it. I will this Friday though. Gotta get that Christmas money. Done with that position. This is position number 3. Whatever it is. Now he's way too happy. He must have had his Prozac. Here it's just doing spot drill, number 1 drill, which is 0.23, and then a 1/4-20 tap.
0.23, number 1 drill, and then a 1/4-20 tap.
I already told him, bro.
Here it comes. Don't say anything.
I can still hear you, bro. Yeah, not a very fun part of the run there. But necessary.
1/8-inch engraver. Bob Haas style.
So the engraver's not doing any cool drawings or anything? Or engraving any cool... well, I guess it's doing some cool writing. It's just doing the serial number on there. So that way they know which machine it goes on. We make these for door machines. Door machines that they flip the door around and cut all the holes in it. So that way it's they don't have to do it when they put the doorknobs in and all that. And we sell the machines. We don't sell doors, just the machines. We make the machines here and sell them. Sometimes people have us make parts for their shop. They outsource us and we make one-off parts, but for the most part we make parts for our machine. And Do you see the little serial number right there? Very tiny, just for them to see, not for you. So calm down. I know you want to see the number. I'm just kidding. It's not even that big of a deal. You wouldn't know what it was anyway. Still confidential. Sworn to secrecy. How's it look though? Local key? Tell me the saying, and in my room I'll keep my love a tiny rubber band.
You see the engraving? Ooh, look at that. Bomb Haas. This. We're not doing that. Here on the right hand side.
Half inch on strud, 2 flute, cutting a little groove out there at the top. Oh, good job. I couldn't do that in an hour. Here's chamfer mill, half inch, buzzing through, taking away all the sharp edges, so when I take it out, I can put my face all over it if I wanted to. This here is position number 4. It's almost done already. Just doing the chamfer, and then it's gonna rapidly come up. I have it in 100 right now. As I said before, yeah, he told me to kill y'all to keep it 100. Sorry. My mind's like a jukebox. Got a lot of songs in there. And if something happens, then the song comes to mind. La, 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 la. That was the Butthole Surfers. It's called Tiny Rubber Band from the Spawn soundtrack. It's a good soundtrack. It's got filters, Trip Like I Do. Love that song. It's one of my favorites. Still listen to it like it's the first time. The beat that it starts off with is awesome. See what I mean? It's awesome. I can't play the whole song because they'll get all crazy and tell me it's copyrighted nonsense. But yeah.
I'll be carving it up with this bad boy.
I love this tool. Shaviv DeBur knife. I use that sucker all day long. And that blade stays sharp. It's amazing. And that little whip, you'd be surprised what you can do with that thing. One day I'll do a little... That's right. Never leave home without it. I'll show you guys how to use that sucker. If you don't already. You probably do if you're watching this because you're a machinist. Or a button pusher. A lot of us don't know what we're doing yet, so yeah, we're button pushers, but we will learn. And we'll take your job, sucker.
on stage, the girls move too much. Kind of ironic how this song is, huh? P. Diddy's going down. Play a piece, play a piece. Degrees towards you for position number 5. There's number 4. We're going to number 5. Spirit fingers for number 5.
I know you know what spirit fingers are.
Slow it down. We were in 100. Yeah, he told me to kill y'all. Keep it 100.
Okay, quit saying that. My buddy Mike did the math and he said that you flip these things 100 times. That's 100 curls of whatever the weight of these are.
We're gonna have the on-strut come through here. I think it's gonna take a groove out right here. We shall see.
Yes, we shall. If you would be so kind. Tap, 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 taparoo, tappity, tap, tap.
The old flip-diddy-doo-dah.
What tool's next? What was that? Oh, a spot drill? It's either the 5/16/18 or the 1/4 taps. I think it's the 5/16/18 roll tap. Right there. Oh no, that's the freaking.
Sticks are up there, yeah.
On-strut. Chamfer. Yeah, that one's a wrap.
It's like
that part is
a car battery.
done. I just said it's the size of a car battery. But after this chamfer, that part's done. I add bushings in each of the holes that are the bores that are about the size of your index finger. Yeah, and it's done because it's like some motor slide mount deal. It has bars going inside, crossing. It slides on this thing. Toasty! There it is. Thanks for sticking around. Oh, I know I get kind of annoying sometimes, but I try to explain what's going down here, because for all you rookies out there, you greenhorns that don't know what's going on, it's not that hard. It's just your setup. As long as your setup's good, everything else should fall right into place, literally. And that's what happened here. I don't have to write 5 on there. I wrote on the wrong side anyway. There we go. I don't have to write that on there.
Yeah, that one. This one's for me specifically because of that. Preoccupied, you know what I mean? It's making me mad sometimes. This part's done.
Man, what a nightmare. And I said earlier that no one wanted to do this job. It's not that anybody's scared. It's just that it sucks. And I'm glad you got to see me do it and how long it took and all the flips that it's got to do. And that's what we started with. That's what we ended up with. Pretty awesome. Thank you. Subscribe.